shed some light on affiliate marketing with these tips. Affiliate marketing takes advanced planning to be successful. Make sure you read the fine print in any agreement you may make. There are some other things to consider, in an effort to be a success. Please take the time to read the video below to help you in your endeavors. Place keywords in website content. By doing this, the search engines will recognize that your site is probably related to certain keywords and rank the site accordingly. But take care to do this naturally. Abnormal keyword stuffing seems unnatural and unreadable to some. Just use the keywords in a conversational way. You will need to know your target audience when putting affiliate marketing material on your site. Know why they are coming to your website and what it is that they are looking for there. If you don't capture their interest quickly, they will leave the site without participating in anything. Before you sign up with an affiliate service, you should make sure that the company you're choosing offers real-time statistics. You will want to check your progress to see if there are any changes you need to make to your campaign. This is very difficult to do if the site you're dealing with does not update in real time. If you want to make the most money from your affiliate marketing efforts, try to find companies that give you credit for any orders you send them, not just ones that click through from your page. See if they have a way to track email, phone or fax orders as well. Learn how to create an ebook about your affiliate marketing product to add value to your product and build your circle of potential customers. It's easy to create an ebook, and you can offer it to potential clients in exchange for their names and email addresses. In this way, you will build a list of people who have expressed an interest in your product and will be happy to hear more about it. These tips, hopefully, have given you some helpful ideas in regard to affiliate marketing. Put these into practice. Invest the time necessary to carefully consider any agreements you may make. And, plan for success. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.